In a previous email, I stressed the importance of setting up a collaborative team conversation for this workshop. Why? Well, it's really self-evident. When you collectively discuss and agree among yourselves how you will do no harm and work as one, which is the ultimate in team collaboration, everybody benefits. Now, one way to ensure that the workshop is properly set up is to let everyone know that they want and deserve a what conversation versus a why conversation. Now, a what conversation describes specific actions and behaviors, whereas a why conversation usually brings up something from the past that includes some blame and potentially creating an attack and defend conversation. Not good, of course. Now, think carefully about this. A what conversation asks only for what is preferred in the working relationship. A why conversation comes from a feeling of victimization, whereas a what conversation creates and extends right-minded accountability. Now, let's take a closer look at using one question from each of the two lists that are on page 5 and 6. Now, let's say teammates chose to answer this question. What do you like best about the way this group has operated in the past? Now, a why answer could be, our former boss didn't hang over us, letting us do our work, and which is saying we don't want to be micromanaged. Now, a what answer could be, our former boss didn't hang over us, letting us do our work, and what we prefer, now that you're here, is to engage more and to learn from you. Now, let's switch to the leader who chose to answer this question. If a teammate thinks that I'm about to make a mistake, what is the best way for them to call it to my attention? Now, a why answer could be, don't talk to others in an attempt to convince them that you're right and that I'm wrong. A what answer could be, it's okay to talk among yourselves about your beliefs, and if you still think I'm about to make a mistake, let's discuss it. Now, I'm confident you can see the difference between these two communication styles, and that the what conversation is the collaborative approach that everyone wants. Please use it because I assure you it works. And contact me if you have any questions. I'd be delighted to support you in facilitating this incredibly powerful team exercise.